Hi guys, we're gonna do this beautiful side-to-side shawl. It's a variation of the bloom shawl. So we make a slip knot and we chain 5. We make 6 triple crochet in the first chain. That's double treble in the UK. So we have a fan of 7. Important to know that in this pattern we have 1 row of fans and 1 row of puff stitches. We chain 4 and we make a puff stitch in the first stitch. Then we chain 3 and make a single crochet in the 4th stitch of the fan. That's a double crochet in the UK. We chain 3 and we make a double crochet. That's treble in the UK. On this side we're gonna have double crochets or treble in the UK and chain 3s. We're not gonna increase. So we chain 3 and we make a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, or triple crochet, chain 2, treble crochet in the UK. And then we do 7 in the last stitch. We make 7 treble crochet or 7 double treble crochets. So in this pattern we don't increase on one side, and on the other side we do. In that way we are creating the side to side, and our change of color will look diagonally. Struggling here a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we made the fan of 7, and now we chain 4 and we do the puff stitch in the first stitch. Then we chain 3 and we make single crochet or double crochet in the UK in the 4th stitch of the fan. We chain 3, we make a puff stitch into the V, the first double crochet or treble in the UK of the V. We chain 3 and then we make another puff stitch. This is a V puff stitch, I would call it. So we have a puff stitch, chain 3, puff stitch, and we work in the stitches below and we skip the chain. And then we simply do a double crochet. Double crochet. Chain 3. So that side we don't do any increase, but we do 7 treble crochets in between the puff, and from this point on we will do the fan in the chain between the 2 puff stitches. So we have 7 treble crochet or double treble crochet in the UK. And then we do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, or that's treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet in the UK. And then again we do, because this is our increasing side, we do 7 treble crochets or double treble crochets in the UK in the last stitch. So the next row will be puff stitch, which we will do at the beginning, then we will do above the V stitch, and at the end we will do double crochet or treble in the UK. Just with this pattern we just need to make sure we don't make increases on that one side. Thank you for watching. Bye.